Hi friends, this is a personal portfolio website, and if you want to make a personal portfolio website or personal CV or resume website, this video is exactly for you. This is a great example of personal portfolio website, so you don't need to search again another theme because we are with the best WordPress theme called Hobby. This is for personal portfolio websites. If you are a designer, you are a professional, you are an IT professional, or you are an architect, or whatever you may be, so your personal portfolio website can bring your candidature in front of the employers, and it may attract your employers to consider you as a golden candidate. Okay, so this is Hobby WordPress theme, and in this video we are going to install Hobby WordPress theme along with the demo content, and this is being our target website, and this is a one page personal portfolio, you can see, and it has download options, so you can attach your CV along with the website for downloading purpose, and this is great, of course. So Hobby is a personal portfolio WordPress theme, and it has been developed by Theme Theory, and it was actually developed in 2019, and the regular updates for this theme is also being done. So you can consider this theme as most updated WordPress theme for personal portfolio, and it supports WP 5.1. Okay, so it has modern design, easy customize, one-click installation, 5-star friendly support as well. Okay, so personal, clean, modern, unique design layout brings a wonderful website for you, and it has all the features which you need in a personal portfolio website. Okay, so in this video we are going to install the Hobby WordPress theme, and for this we have to go in the appearance section of WordPress. I have a fresh installation of WordPress which is running 5.8 WordPress theme with 2021 default WordPress theme, and this is being the core look of current website in which we are going to install Hobby WordPress theme. And okay, so we have to go in the themes section of WordPress and click on add new. So let me show you the first the theme pack what I got. So this is being a theme pack. In the theme pack I have bundled plugins in which the VDays toolkit has been provided along with the Visual Composer. Demo data has been given for manual import, licensing, the main theme file, child theme file, and online documentation link is available in the theme pack. So we shall be using these files for installation purpose. And yes, this is being the theme upload screen, and click on the upload theme, choose file, and here we need to choose the hobby.zip file. So remember what file which you need to upload is the hobby.zip. Don't upload or try to upload the complete folder which you got in the theme pack. We have to upload only the installable theme file, that is hobby.zip, and click on install now. So you can use direct server interface for uploading the theme as well. So the theme can be uploaded directly to WP content themes folder if you are having any issue through uploading the theme from WordPress interface. However, if you are ordering the Hobby WordPress theme at WP Themes website by following the link given in the description of this video, you shall be getting a very good quality hosting, so don't worry for that. And this theme had been installed successfully, and we can activate it now. So this is being the backend interface where Hobby WordPress theme has been uploaded, and we can check the theme files So we have got all the theme files here on our hosting, uh, which we just uploaded through the WordPress interface. And after activation, this theme indicates it needs certain plugins for using the theme in the proper manner. Okay, so I just deleted the rest of the things so that it may not create any confusion. So this is being the hobby activated at this installation, and after activation it is indicating that it needs certain plugins in order to use the theme. And let us see what are the list of plugins. So these are the plugins that has been recommended and required for using the theme features, and this theme uses WP Bakery Page Builder, and rest 2 plugins has been marked as required, and rest of the plugins are only recommended. But we are going to install all the plugins as we need to showcase and use all the theme features. However, you may not use any of these recommended plugins if you really don't want to use these features. But at initial stage I recommend to install all the plugins, so that on later stage it can be decided whether we need to use certain features or not, and after deactivating we can delete the unused plugins. So first I am installing all the 10 plugins, and this can be done in a single click. Just select install and click on apply. And if you are not confident about your server capacity, just install the plugins one by one to avoid the error during the installation process. So it is very important to install all the indicated plugins in a very error-free manner. So you can see on the screen all the 10 plugins has been installed just in few seconds. This is the beauty of the hosting provided by the WP themes. So you can just take this hosting as well. Just follow the link given in the description where you can get the theme pre-installed at your hosting plan. So this is a great choice for you, and that comes in a negligible price in fact. So okay, so it is all the plugins has been installed, and we can go back to the plugin installation screen, and now we need to activate all the installed plugins, and that also can be done in a single click. Just click on the just select activate and click on apply and select all, of course. So I'm now activating all the plugins, and yes, all the installed plugins has been activated in just a second. And now we are fine to check our website how it looks. Okay, so it is already open. Let me refresh this page, and this is the core look of hobby WordPress theme. And yes, it is without any demo content or without any content. This is fresh look. And if you are proficient in development of WordPress website and you don't want to use any pre-made website like this, so you can start building your website scratch from this stage. I mean from this stage. This is being the hobby WordPress theme, and you shall be getting the complete features of hobby WordPress theme and the associated plugins. Of course, if you want to use your own wireframe, you can start building your website scratch from here. So that is up to you, but mostly people are using the pre-made website, and this is why the WordPress is known for. It gives you the privilege to use a pre-made websites and just put your own content and start using your website. So we are going to target this website as our target website, and for this we need to import the demo content. And yes, we shall be using one-click demo importer for this purpose, and we have already installed the okay. So if you want to have a multi-language, so it is the warning for that, and it is not actually applicable for this installation. If you are willing to use multi-language, then you have to proceed those steps as well. Okay, so we have all set of plugins activated, and we have an option under appearance section that import demo data. So we shall be using that, and after that complete importing the demo data, we can check our website how it looks. So let us proceed towards the demo content import and click on import demo data under appearance section. Okay, so this is being the screen for importing the demo data. After you import this demo, you will have a setup of sliders separately. Have to set up the slider separately. Okay, so we will check the slider as well. So just click on import demo data, and the next screen is indicating that if you want certain plugins, we don't need any at this stage. And now data import demo content has begun, and we don't have to hit back button or refresh this page until we get any message on the screen. So be careful, don't hit the back button. However, you may use another tabs already opened, and you can open new tabs as well, but let the process to be completed. Don't hit the back button until you get any message on the screen, and your due patience is required at this stage. And yes, it got done in just few seconds, and congrats, your demo data imported successfully. Now you can begin editing your site. So now we can take another look of our website. Just refresh this page, and yes, so it is not, in fact, so slider is not used, so the slider setting is not required, and we got a complete website here. It is wonderful. In fact, the installation was really very simple, and we got the complete website along with the image. What we need next, just to add the original content as applicable for us, and we shall be fine using our personal portfolio website. So this is great, and we got a wonderful website in just few minutes. So this is being the great feature. And now, since we have completed the installation along with the demo website, and every function is working fine, as we can check, this is a single page website, and so sidebar menu is also working very good. So very good. And now it is time to show you the theme options, what we got additional in this WordPress installation. Okay, so just click on the dashboard, and so nothing is additional here. Portfolio is here, so we can check the portfolio, and this is being the portfolio, and I'll show you the what is laying here. So okay, so we can put our portfolio here from this screen, and yes, you can use the existing one by editing these contents and putting your own. And this is the portfolio option. You can add new portfolio category as well. Pages, comments, contacts are normal things as in WordPress, and the rest of things are common. So there will be a multi-language, and MailChimp for WordPress is here all. So I believe the rest of things can be done through the customize options. So let us check the customize option. Okay, so hobby customizer is here, and this is going to give you all controls. So let us check. So this is being the header setting under hobby customizer, through which we can change the logo and the download button. Okay, so download button link can be placed from here, and you can upload your CV in the media section of WordPress and give the link here for the downloading purpose. And you can even hide the download button, and it is up to you. So you can change the logo and control the download button from here. And yes, header side info is also here, so you can change the contents of side bar from this screen only. So this is very important screen, and just copy all these things and edit on a notepad so that you may not disturb the original layout or content of the website. So if you are not so handy with the editing in the WP, I mean the HTML files, so you should be careful. Just take a copy and paste so that you may take a backup of these line of codes. So these are simple line of code, you can simply edit, or you can, but better to have a notepad backup for this. Okay, so Facebook and desktop social links can be placed here, and this was the main option. Header setting is complete. Breadcrumb, BG color and all such things can be. Blog settings, Google map settings, so these are the not. So theme color, it is another important thing. So if you don't like this red one, you can change the color. So I'll show you how to change the color. It is very simple, and just select the color and hit on publish. The complete color is changed. So it is very simple and very effective. So complete color is changed, so it is more than simple in fact. And the footer setting, so again this is footer setting area, footer text and links can be handled from this screen. Okay, so these are the great controls available for our website. I'm in the portfolio website. Site identity, next are site identity, colors, again header text color can be changed, background image. So these are the controls from WordPress itself, so these are not required for this theme, however you can use as per requirement. Or anyways, so that is fine, and we got a very wonderful website for portfolio. And now it is time to show you how to edit the content of page. So it is also very important. Finally you have to upload your own content. So this theme uses WP Bakery Visual Page Builder. So again what I'll advise you to take a backup of home page. At least this is one page website, so you can use any duplicator plugin so that you may take a backup of this page before you start editing the page. So just click on the edit with WP Bakery Page Builder and you shall be able to edit all the contents. Just hit on the pencil icon and all the contents and settings will be available. Let us assume we need to get every single solution. This is here. I am designer, so it is here. So everything can be editable, and you can edit all the contents. So just remember, you have to use same length content and same dimension images as given in the demo website. So it is very important because you have to maintain the integrity of your website. Okay, so editing content is more than simple. Even a non-technical person can do this. Simply just click on the pencil icon, and you can even use the backend editor. I'll show you the backend editor as well. So this gives you an additional option, not like additional, so you from this screen you can easily add or remove the sections if you don't want to use, or if you want to use additional sections. So it is very simple to edit, and our website is really great. So I believe I have shown you each and everything about the Hobby WordPress theme, and this is the final outcome website. And you might have certain question regarding this thing. Don't hesitate in asking any question in the comment section of this video, or you can even follow the link given in the description of this video so that you may get in touch directly with me for your questions and queries. So I am available and I will try my level best to answer your queries, and you can get this theme by following the link. So link is only one, and that links gives you information and also things, hosting, themes, and also things are available on that link. So that is connected to WP Themes website. I believe you are going to make a wonderful portfolio website for you using the Hobby WordPress theme. And in the next video we are coming with the next wonderful WordPress theme, plugin or utilities. Keep watching, keep building. Thank you.